Hello there, welcome to Stacey Dee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful brownie recipe that has no flour in it whatsoever and uses ground almonds instead. Enjoy! First thing you need to do is grab 150 grams of ground almonds. I'm going to process it in my mini food processor just to make it a little bit more flour-like. Should only take about 15 seconds. Perfect. Now I'm going to put 75 grams of warm melted butter into a bowl. On top of that, 250 grams of caster sugar. I'm going to pop that in and whisk it together. At this point, it will get a little bit clumpy. That's absolutely fine. As soon as you add the eggs, it will sort itself out. So we're going to add the eggs one at a time. 1, 2. It's looking lovely now. And 3. So whisking 3 large eggs into the bowl until nice and smooth. Now we're going to add the 150 grams of ground almonds, 75 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, pop that on top, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a large pinch of salt. Now we're going to whisk it together until it's smooth. Looks pretty delish. Use a bit of elbow grease this. Changing now to my spatula. It's going to make sure everything is incorporated. And it is. I'm using a 20 centimetre square pan. If you want to, you can use a round 20 centimetre pan or a silicone pan, it's up to you. I'm going to spray it with my oil, pop a piece of baking parchment in. If it has a nice overhang, it's good because it's easier to take out the brownies later. And now we're just going to pour the brownie mixture in. This is a wonderful one for anyone who can't have flour. It's also a very good Pesach recipe, and it's Pesach coming up soon. Once it's all in the pan, smooth it out with a spatula, take it to the sides. At this point, if you want to, you can pop some buttons on there or some other chocolate, but I'm going to leave it nice and plain because I think it's chocolatey enough. This now needs to go in the oven, 160 degrees fan, or 180 degrees conventional heat for 25 minutes until the skewer comes out nice and clean. This has now come out the oven and the entire kitchen smells amazing. You can leave it to totally cool in the pan before we cut it into squares. And there you have it. Now you know how to make my flourless brownies. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then why not click the subscribe button below and you'll be notified when I place any more. Also, I'd love to see what you make, so do tag me in any photos and comment below. Bye!